Do you want to feel like a Windows 11 power user? We're about to reveal 10 shortcuts that will make you feel like you're cheating. These hidden gems will dramatically boost your productivity and make navigating Windows 11 a breeze. First up, snap layouts with Windows key plus Z. Instantly arrange your open windows into predefined layouts for perfect multitasking. Next, Windows key plus tab gives you a quick view of your running apps and lets you manage or create new virtual desktops for a cleaner workspace. Need to quickly adjust brightness or connectivity? Windows key plus A brings up the quick settings panel instantly. To check your alerts and calendar at a glance, use Windows key plus N for the notification center. Never miss an important update. Adding personality to your messages is easy with Windows key plus period. It opens the emoji, GIF, and cow emoji picker right where you need it. Take precise screenshots quickly with Windows key plus Shift plus S. Select the exact area you want to capture, and it's ready to paste. Stepping away from your device? Secure it instantly with Windows key plus L to lock the screen. Essential for privacy. If your desktop is cluttered, Windows key plus D minimizes all open windows to get you back to your desktop in a flash. Tired of typing? Windows key plus H enables voice typing, letting you dictate text directly into any text field. Finally, Windows key plus any number from 1 to 9 will launch the corresponding app pinned to your taskbar. Super fast access to your favorites. Master these 10 Windows 11 shortcuts, and you'll be navigating your PC like a professional. Thanks for watching.